Okay, so let's take a look at this figure again with more surrounding figures. Okay, let me zoom in. Our hardware consists of many things like CPU here. This is the CPU core. So you can visualize this as BCM 2711. Okay. In addition to you also need the SD card as the hardware. Okay. Look at this boundary. Okay, so the CPU core is here. How about the software part? Software part is loaded from the SD card to the DRAM. So this is our DRAM. Okay, look at this as DRAM because this is the DRAM chip, another DRAM chip, another DRAM chip, another DRAM chip. Okay, so this DRAM correspond to your notebook DRAM. Correspond to your notebook DRAM. Okay. So DRAM store the software, right? DRAM keeps the software, and the software can be visualized as a virtual memory like this. It can be divided into kernel space here, user space down here, user space. Okay, so this is just one application. Remember, one application of virtual memory. So what happened when the user clicks the mouse button? Okay, click the mouse button here. That means the signal will be the input data. The mouse button will become the input data, input number. Okay, go through the hardware and the kernel. And kernel will forward that number to the application, to the game. This is the application. Okay, and through some logic, the number will be computed, blah blah blah, to generate the output. And that output will be output number will be delivered to the hardware via the kernel again. Okay, every input, every output must go through the kernel. Remember one question in our midterm exam, there's a loop. That's the loop that kernel must must be involved. Okay, the kernel must be involved with every input output. All right, and then output number will go to the screen, will go through the speaker, go through the whatsoever, and then the user eyes can see, can hear, can touch, like your LED blinking. Remember, your LED can blink, your eyes can see, and then you can think further, what to do, and it's going to be another input. Okay, it's a loop like this, a continuous loop. Okay, a continuous loop. Just like my pen here, my touchscreen pen. So every time I touch the screen, I generate interrupt to the CPU. Okay? Every time I touch the screen, I generate interrupt to the CPU. CPU will respond to the pen. How to respond? CPU will respond it with some ISR, interrupt service routine. Okay? I will elaborate ISR at the end of chapter 7. Okay? That's the main concept of computer. Every time you play the games, you generate interrupts as many times, as many as possible. Okay? Let's stop here and then